Hi guys, this is Sadik from Driving.com, and in this video, we'll show you how to dump a partition from your Android phone. So please take a backup of all the data on your phone and then let's get started. So in this regard, you will have to obtain root on your phone. This process cannot be done without root. So I'm not going to discuss how to obtain root on your phone. You could refer to my guide and then root your phone via Magisk, Apache or Kernel SU. Likewise, you also have to unlock the boot loader, which is quite obvious, or you could also root via the TWRP recovery. Simply flash the Magisk zip file and get the job done. So I'm given all the steps over here, as you could see. Anyways, once you have obtained root, also get hold of the Android SDK platform tools from my guide and extract them onto your PC. You may do so anywhere you want. In my case, I have done so in C drive. So these are the 5 of platform tools. And once that is done, and once you have obtained root on your phone as well, also make sure to enable USB debugging on your phone, which you already have done to obtain root. But still, if you haven't done so, then go to the settings menu on your phone. From the settings menu, you have to go to about phone, then tap on build number or version number 7 times. This will enable developer options. Then go back, again go back. Now go to system, developer options, and enable the toggle next to USB debugging. Once that is done, let's now proceed ahead with the next step. Now we will have to list out the names of all the partition and their address on your phone. So for that, you have to type in these 3 commands. So go to the platform tools, type in cmd in the address bar, hit enter. This will launch command prompt inside the platform tools directory. If that does not happen, copy the path of platform tools. Go to cmd from the start when you open it. Then type in cd space, paste the path of platform tools, hit enter, and you are now inside the platform tools directory. Once that is done, now type in adb devices and verify that you are getting an ID. If you're getting an ID, well and good. Now type in adb shell, and you should not be inside. You should not be getting the code name or your phone name and a $sign. So after that, you have to now type in SU for root, and you will now get a Magisk prompt on your phone. Make sure to tap on OK, allow or grant. In my case, I've already done that, and now you should get the $sign. Now you should get the hash sign, as you could see. So in case of SU, in case of ADB shell, you will get the $sign, and in case of root SU, you will get the hash sign. So make sure that you have given it the permission. Let me show you. In my case, I've already done that to the shared UID shell. This is the same as ADB SU. So now that we have got this, you will have to type in the command this one. This will list out all the blocks or the partition on your phone along with their address, as you could see. So let's, for the sake of convenience, let's use the boot partition. Let's say the boot A partition, which has the address of this one. So let's copy the address of the boot A. I've copied the address, and let's paste it somewhere for the sake of reference. So let me paste in the notepad for now. And now the command to dump the partition is this one. This command simply replace the address over here, the dev log sd, replace the address with the one which you have got. Likewise, replace the file name with the file name which you are dumping. In my case, it's a boot.img file. So let me show you the entire command. So let me copy this command over here, paste it in the cmd window in the notepad, and in my case the dev log is the SDE13, and the file which I am using, as you could see over here next to SDE13, is this one. Just give me a second. Okay, just a second. Next to SDE13 is the file name, which is this one, as you could see. So the file is boot underscore A is the slot, and this is the command. So boot underscore A.img. So we have got the complete command. Just let me show you once again. This is the command syntax. You have to replace the address over here and the file name over here. Once that is done, type in the command in the cmd window. So let's do that now. Paste the command here. Okay, just a second. Copy the command, paste it here, hit enter, and it will now dump the partition on your phone. As you could see, we have now got the file. Let's verify the same. It's over here onto your phone. This is the boot A underscore img. So you could now easily do a copy paste, copy the file from here and paste it wherever you want, or you may also use the adb pull command to get this job done. So in case of adb pull, let me show you what needs to be done. So simply use the command adb pull. Okay, the command will not work inside the hash, inside the SU. So you might have to open a new cmd window, or let's see if Control C will also not work. Okay, so now open a new cmd window. In case of adb pull, I have to copy the path and open the cmd from here and do the cd space path Now type in adb pull space / the file address, which in our case is the SD card, the phone storage. So type in SD card, now / and the file name, which is boot_a.img. You don't have to write the location of in the PC, because the PC location is by default is the platform tools, because we have opened the CMD inside the platform tools. So the file will automatically be placed inside the platform tools only. Just type in enter, and as you could see, the file is now being transferred from your phone's internal storage over to the platform tools. And now we have got the files. Let me show you platform tools, and this is the boot_aimg file which you have just got. So if the copy paste is not working on your phone, then you simply use the adb pull command to do a file transfer, and your task is complete. So guys, on that note, I round up this video. If you have any query with regard to any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section, and thanks a lot for watching.